Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix Paragon, the Overprime crashing, not launching, not working on Windows PC. Method 1. Stay up to date. First, go to Windows Settings. Click on Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. If an update is available, select Update. Next, open NVIDIA GeForce Experiences. Navigate to Driver, then click on Check for updates. If an update is available, select Update. If you do not have NVIDIA GeForce Experiences installed or want to install the graphics drivers manually, visit the NVIDIA homepage to download and install them. For AMD users, visit the AMD Support and Drivers page to download the graphics driver. At last, open Epic Game Launcher or Steam, then verify integrity of game files. Once done, relaunching Paragon, the Overprime, and see if problem is fixed. Method 2. Set height performance graphics. To do that, right-click on Desktop Background, then pick Display Settings. Click on Graphics. Now, scroll down and find Overprime to set height performance. If not found, then click on Browse. Go to where Overprime is installed. Now, add Paragon client. After that, click on Bootstrap Packaged Game, then click on Options. At last, choose Height Performance, then click on Save. Relaunching Paragon, the Overprime, and see if this helps. Method 3. Disable Game Overlay. On Steam, open Steam, then go to Settings. Click on In-Game, then uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Click OK. On NVIDIA GeForce Experiences, go to Settings. Click on General, then turn off In-Game Overlay. On AMD Radeon software, go to Settings. After that, go to Preferences. Look for the General section of Preferences. There, disable the switch named In-Game Overlay by clicking or tapping on it. On Discord, go to Settings. Scroll down and you will see Game Overlay. Click on it, then disable it. If disable Game Overlay, but Overprime still not working, then you can try additional methods such as turn off third-party antivirus software. Stop using overclocking and turn off all unnecessary software running. Finally, uninstall and reinstall Overprime if you still can't launch it. If you have any other method, leave a comment below the video. Thanks.